Kulkarni and you are watching Cosmic Science. Today I'll be talking about very depth of understanding and observation. In my last video, I have discussed about observation, which includes questioning and understanding. So I have showed the ways of understanding by mind mapping method and uh, self inquiry and uh, ca- cause and effect method. So these were the all methods of observation and the components of the observation. So after observation we come to a conclusion or a thesis or a, uh hypothesis or a fact. So how can we proceed with that? So we have to think on it. So I have by mind mapping method we can think on it and find a solution or cause and effect. We can use any of these two. So after using these two, whatever information we have to um, take a decision out of it, whether it is depending upon the subject and the conditions. We have to take decisions upon it depending upon your critical thinking, logical thinking, as well as your perceptual manner. You have to take a decision. So in this video I'll be telling you how to take a decision. Decision can be taken by asking again question. What questions do we have to ask? We have to ask what is what, why, and how. While making decisions, these three questions are very important. Suppose, for example, uh, car accident happens. One car is coming, and another car comes in a wrong way and hits another car, and this accident happens. So in this case, one observes that a car is coming from wrong side and it hits the other car. So here in this observation, um, we have to question the laws and rules regulations. We have to question them, whether they apply or where do they apply, all those things. And we have to ask the question to make the decision to take action on which driver, the wrong side driver or the right side driver. So to take this decision, what happened, let's understand why, what, why, sorry, what, how, and why. What happened is um, accident. How it happened? A wrong side car was coming, and it hit the another car on the other side. And third is why it happened. Because the car coming from the wrong side was either maybe he was in busy in talking on a mobile, or he's drunk, or he's lost in mind. So these may be the reasons. On these three answers, based on these three answers, we have to make a decision out of it. So when you take a decision, it gives a complete justice to what is happened and what should be done to it. So uh, what, how, and why are very important. Even though in observation, in the question section, these three components of questioning are very important. In observation, the questioning is not linear. There we have to question randomly. I mean, not in a sequence. Why, what, how, and why, not in a sequentially, but we have to ask there in a particular algorithmic way. Suppose like what happened, why did it happen, how it happened, when it happened, uh, will it happen, when will it happen, when it had happened. So these are the questions which come under um, questionnaire section of observation. So don't get confused between the questionnaire questioning in observation and decision making questions. So in decision making questions, what, how, and why are very important. Based on that, we have to take a decision, and all these answers uh, to the questions, uh, how, what, how, and why, we will get it from our observations. So based upon all these criteria, we can come to a conclusion and solution of a problem, and we can make a better justice to the situation. And so it must happen in a fraction of seconds. It comes by practice, and we have to focus on certain aspects while questioning and while observing. I'll be sharing much more detailed, much more depth of observation and decision making in my next video. So please do watch my all my earlier videos to connect all these things, and please share, please comment down your questions, or your perspective, or this was my perspective after all, but I want to know what is your perspective, and have a talk, have a sincere talk on this. So with this, I'll conclude for the day. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.